Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Poshmark login error. So if you'd been trying to sign into your Poshmark account or log into your Poshmark account but have been seeing a message that says that there's a login error that's occurring, there are different ways by means of which you can go about this. So the very first way is to go to your App Store, and on your App Store, on the search bar, type in Poshmark. As you do that, you'll see an app like this appear on your screen. So when you see this app, currently you can see that there's a button that says open for me, but then if your app is not updated, you'll likely see an update button. So most of the time when your app is not updated, it might lead to certain disadvantages leading you towards a login error. So if your app is not updated, make sure you tap on the update button and your app will get updated, which might potentially fix your login error. Another way to go about it is long press the app, tap on the cross button, and as you tap on the cross button, it's going to ask you if you would like to delete this app. Tap on delete and then go back to your App Store and reinstall the app on your device. Most of the times what might also happen is because of your internet speed, because of your connectivity, you might be facing certain login error. So if for a certain while you turn off your Wi-Fi and just let your mobile device be, and then take a certain while and then turn on your mobile Wi-Fi again, what will happen is that this login error is likely to get fixed. So I hope that these are some of the steps that I've known on fixing this login error, and I hope any one of these steps works out for you. If you fix your login error by using any one of these steps, do let us know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video on App Guide. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.